This is what I'm carrying around these days. It's a tiny GAN charger, which can power all my devices. I keep it in my bag with a few cables. I am able to charge my laptop, my phone with it. Amazing. But now I'm at home and I've got 2 laptops to charge, 2 phones to charge. I can't just have like 3 of these things plugged into the wall. I'm just gonna use all my plugs, right? Since Anker and Ugreen have been releasing a bunch of desktop charger this year, I figured let's grab one and see if this is a good solution for me. So I got the 300W Nexode charger by Ugreen, and we'll see if this thing can charge all my devices in one. Alright, for the prices, you can get the Nexode 300W charger for £169.99 on their website or £149.99, and I actually got it from Amazon for £129.99 a month ago. Something to keep in mind is there's only one cable in this box, I think, so you might need to also buy some additional cables to power all your devices. Alright, let's unbox. Straight at the top, the charger. What else do we get? And that's for the content of the box. You get a manual, some instructions, a power adapter, one cable. All right, let's look at this desktop charger. Okay, I mean, it's quite heavy. Like, it's probably heavier than my laptop charger. So, is it gonna travel with me? Maybe not. Maybe it's gonna stay at home. It's massive. Wow. Look at this thing. It looks pretty nice, but construction-wise, it's probably just plastic. Let's look at the ports. Each of the USB-C connection has a different power rating. So if you want to achieve 140 watts, you'll have to use the topmost USB-C. And the next 2 are rated for 100 watts. The 4th one is rated for 45 watts, and the USB-A plug only for 22.5 watts. Something to keep in mind, right? This is a 300 watt adapter. It doesn't mean that it can charge a device up to 300 watts. I think it's just the total wattage that it can do at the same time is 300. 140 watts though is higher than every other charger I have. So this is going to be super useful to do some testing. So the cable included is rated for 240 watts, and this charger does up to 140 watts. So this is going to be perfect to get started. So we'll plug it in on the 140 watts port and start from there. Let's see a laptop. So the cool thing about my laptop is you can charge it with a massive brick, 240 watts, but it also has USB-C charging, which I think is rated for 100 watts. So 140 watts should be good enough. Just by turning on the laptop, now I get 100 watts, which is pretty much what I expected from this USB-C port. So amazing. Okay, as a first step, what I want to do is plug in a bunch of devices and see how the power fluctuates. Quick note, I got a bunch of other cables also to power all my devices, so this is not in the box, but you know, you gotta charge your stuff. Alright, at this point I've got my laptop charging, I've got my MetaQuest and 2 overhead LED panels, all on the same charger, and look at this. Look at this monstrosity. So this is really cool. With this one charger, I can charge everything here and no issue about capacity. But one thing I want to understand now is, do I still need this massive power brick? because this thing can give me 240 watts, and this thing is only 140 watts on the top port. Now, if I were to travel and go on holiday, can I carry this around, or do I also need to bring my regular laptop charger? And to test that, I'm going to be comparing benchmarking results between the laptop being plugged in on the DC adapter, or on the desktop charger, or by itself on battery. All right. It's running. Takes a while. Okay, results are in and it's not looking super great. With the AC adapter, the laptop on 3D Mark for the Steel Nomad benchmark is able to score 1741, and then with battery it's 1307, which is about a 25% drop. And then when powered in with USB-C, I got 1288, which is a 27% drop from the AC adapter score. So basically, if you're not plugged in on AC and you're powering your gaming laptop with USB-C, your GPU is gonna throttle, so yeah, you're gonna get similar performance as if you were on battery. Okay. Okay, so what do I think? The Nexode 300W charger is definitely a beast and probably overkill for most people. With 4 ports, you can charge everything that you own in one go. At the same time, this thing is expensive. You can buy 3-4 AC adapters for that price. If you are hoping to be able to game and deliver enough power for your GPU, this is not it. Another thing to consider is that all the ports are on one side, so if you're going to be putting this in the middle of a table and expect multiple people to plug in their laptop, it's going to be difficult for some. I mean, you're going to get cables everywhere also. But to me, this is great. I'm going to be installing it on this desk, and it's going to be able to charge my laptop, my phone, my lights, and I don't need 140 watts, I only need 100 watts for my laptop. I don't really game on this laptop. I got a desktop computer, so like this is plenty enough, and this provides enough value that I'm not going to be returning it. Alright, that's it for the 300W charger by Ugreen. Overkill? Probably. I'm keeping it for my setup though. So, if you enjoy, like and subscribe, check out the website, and for now, see ya!